Harry ate dirt over Judge's brutal words after 6 Peter Lane refused Harry's appeal. You're a non-VIP. Prince Harry's latest court defeat, in his rightly unsuccessful bid to overturn the decision to refuse him guaranteed Met Police protection after he pulled out of royal duties, might seem like a trivial battle over legal fees. But in fact, the Duke's failed attempt to pass 50 to 60% of the costs incurred by the Home Office in fighting his unmerited claim tells us much about the preening prince and his selfish disregard for virtually anyone other than himself, his equally self-obsessed wife Meghan Markle and his children. Yesterday, High Court Judge Sir Peter Lane claimed that Harry lost the case totally and had to pay 90% of his legal fees in his High Court battle against the Home Office over his UK security. Now Harry's team's still trying to seek permission to appeal from the Court of Appeal. A legal spokesman at Shillings for the Duke confirms the Duke of Sussex will be seeking permission again from the Court of Appeal to challenge the decision of Mr Justice Lane. However, new court documents seen by the Times show that Sir Peter has refused Harry permission to appeal, and also that the Home Office has been penalised for delaying the release of certain information dubbed crucial by Harry's team about the workings of RAVEC, the committee that arranges security for members of the royal family and other VIPs. According to the newspaper, the Home Office failed to mention 3 categories of people for whom RAVEC provides state protection when it should have legally done so. The 3 categories are role-based individuals like royals, other VIPs, and those who need occasional support. This means the Prince's legal team hadn't been made aware of the other VIP category, which according to them was crucial to his claim, and Harry is non-VIP. However, the judge refused Harry permission to appeal according to a document signed last week, which was also reportedly seen by the newspaper. A Home Office spokesman told The Times, "While we're pleased with the decision of the court to refuse permission to appeal, it would be inappropriate to comment further on ongoing legal proceedings." The revelation that Harry and Meghan have been rightfully demoted to lower or lowest VIP tier to the general public shattered their egos and reputation, especially embarrassing and painful after their failed attempt at cosplaying like they mattered at that cringe polo PR event. I thought that if Harry lost this appeal, he'd be out of appeals. However, Harry's now going to appeal again. Harry tried to claim a partial success in his judicial review claim. Yes, really. He lost. He comprehensively lost, but tried to claim some success. Prince Harry should admit defeat in his legal fight with the Home Office. This withering verdict is, of course, unlikely to stop the Clown Prince. Harry's now considering heading to the Court of Appeal so that his lawyers can charge him yet greater sums, and so that he can be humiliated all over again. Harry, as usual, asks to see the manager. It didn't help that it emerged this week that Harry emailed confidential details of the case to his buddy, the Tory MP Johnny Mercer, which has resulted in his having to apologise. For someone who's served in the military but learnt nothing from it and should know the importance of a tactical retreat when faced with overwhelming odds, Harry's once again demonstrated that his pride and arrogance trump any kind of good sense. Meghan better be selling a lot more jam to cover the dim-witted prince's legal fees, especially when the cases were ridiculous to begin with. No way should UK taxpayers be stuck with the costs of Harry's I'm So Special vanity project.